You are cruising along, having a normal day, when out of nowhere it happens, a car accident. Your heart races, your mind is spinning, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But knowing the right step to take can turn chaos into control. Hi, I am your host, and in today's video, I will guide you through everything you need to do after a car accident in the US. From immediate action at the scene to dealing with insurance and legal issues. This video will help you navigate every step with confidence. Whether you are a new driver or someone who is been on the road for years. These tips could save you time, money, and stress. So let's dive right in. The first thing to do, take a deep breath. Staying calm is key. Accident can feel overwhelming, but staying composed will help you make clear decisions. Start by checking yourself and any passenger for injuries. If someone is hurt, your top priority is to call 911 for medical help. Don't try to move anyone who is injured unless they are in immediate danger, like from fire or traffic. It, if it is safe and the accident is minor, move your car to the side of the road to avoid causing a traffic hazard. Turn on your hazard light to alert other driver and prevent further accident. Even if it is just a minor fender bender, calling the police is a smart move. In many states, it is required by law to report accident involving injuries or significant property damage. Plus, having an official police report can be available for insurance claim and legal protection. This is critical step. So make sure you are through. Here is what you need to collect. First is the other driver full name, address and phone number, their insurance company name and policy number, the license plate number and a description of their vehicle like the make, model and color. And don't forget about witnesses. If anyone saw what happened, politically ask for their contact detail. Their account can be incredibly helpful if there is a dispute about what occurred. Now grab your phone or a camera and document everything. Take clear detailed photo of the damage of all vehicle involved, the license plate of all car, the surrounding scene including traffic sign, a skid mark and any relevant road condition. This picture can be your best evidence when filing an insurance claim or if there is any legal follow-up. Before we move on, let's talk about what not to do after an accident. First is don't admit fault. Even if you think you made a mistake, it is best to avoid a statement like I am sorry or it was my fault. Let the policy and insurance companies determine liability. And second is don't agree to skip exchanging information or involving insurance. Even minor accident can lead to unexpected cost, so it's better to protect yourself by following proper procedures. Remember, your goal here is to protect yourself and ensure that the process is handled correctly. Once you are safe, it is time to report the accident to your insurance company. Most insurance require you to notify them within a specific time frame, so don't delay. Share all the information you have collected, including the photo and the police report number if you have one. Many insurance companies now offer mobile apps that let you upload document and photo directly, making the claim process even easier. After the initial step, there there is still work to do. First, get checked by a doctor, and injured like wispels or internal pain can appear hour or even day later. Next, if your car needs repair, get estimated from trusted repair shop. Check your insurance policy to see if it covers a rental car while your vehicle is in the shop. In more complex cases like dispute over fault, uncooperative insurance companies, or accidents involving several injuries, you may need legal help. Don't hesitate to consult a lawyer to ensure your right and protect. And that is everything you need to know about handling a car accident in the US. Remember, saying claim, collecting the right information, and following the proper steps make a huge difference in protecting yourself and your right. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more practical advice like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are the first to know when I upload new content. Drive safe, take care, and I will see you in the next videos. Remember, after reporting the accident, take care of any necessary follow step ups. First is visit a doctor even if you feel fine. Some injuries like wispels may not show symptoms immediately. Second is get repair estimated from reputable shop and check if your insurance covers rental cars during the repair process. And don't admit fault. Even saying something as simple as I am sorry could be misinterpreted. Stick to the fact when speaking to the police or other drivers.